Hi bakers, welcome back to another cream puff video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a very easy caramel sauce. For this recipe you'll need butter, brown sugar, milk, 1 cup measure, half a cup measure, a quarter cup measure, and a medium saucepan. Alright, first turn the stove on to medium heat. Then put a quarter cup of milk in. Then half a cup of butter and a cup of brown sugar. Then stir for 5 to 7 minutes. As your caramel becomes a golden brown like mine, you might want to start turning down the heat, so make sure it doesn't burn. Also, as a tip, make sure your butter is room temperature and that your brown sugar is flaky. When your caramel is done, like mine, you could use it as a sauce. Or you could put it in the freezer to make small caramel bites. Thanks for watching.